purpose of the Spurs outreach program on tomorrow at the Kolachal Stadium, Concord Military Station. Any pensioner who are retired Army, Navy, Air Force and Defence establishment, they can come out here, get their grievances resolved. Suppose if they are not having if they don't get this pension, immediately we will give the issue order. We invited all the banks also. Banks are here. We will give the authority to the bank to credit the pension. Immediately bank will credit the pension to the pensioner. Suppose other category, the pensions are getting, whether you don't know whether this getting the pension, right pension or less pension. Suppose anybody has a doubt, you can also come over here, you can check up your entitlement. If suppose you are having the 100 rupees less pension, immediately we will revise your PPO. On the spot we will give it to you. You can hand over to this bank authorities, they will immediately credit. Third things, all the record office are coming. Suppose any discrepancy between your name and the PPO name, or any discrepancy on the date of birth, any other issue related to this pension, all these grievances will be resolved on this tomorrow grievances forum. Because tomorrow whenever you attend the Spurs outreach program, this program has a special compensation, dispensations, because all the stakeholders are coming here. The Defence Accounts Department, banks, record office, since all the stakeholders are coming, at least any one person has to take a responsibility. So there is no shifting responsibility, no, this is not my work, that is not my work. So here, since all the stakeholders are coming, the pensioner grievances will be resolved 100%, I will ensure. Second, family pensions. Family pension for entire India, the family pension sanctioned by the CDA, under my control only. That's why any family pension issue you have, within a 1 hour I will resolve, I will revise your pensions on tomorrow itself. This is my assurance. Third things, if anybody doesn't have the ORP, did not receive the ORP in second or third, on priority basis, immediately we will give this the arrears of the ORP. Irrespective of that, any grievances in your related to the discrepancy on your PPO or any queries related to this pension, your entitlement, you can come and check with our Spurs outreach program. The governor, Honorable Kerala Governor is going to be the chief guest. Our controller, the Defence Accounts Department Controller General will be the guest of honor. I also will be there. We have deployed more than 50 personnel to look after your grievances. Tomorrow itself, all the grievances will be resolved. I request all the pensioners, those who are residing in the Thiruvananthapuram and Kottayam and Kollam and Pathanamthitta neighbor districts, they can use this facility. We are also planning to launch 2 more Spurs outreach program in this month of the November and December in the Kerala itself. The date will be announced. That's why we will come to your place. That's why the neighbor district can use this facility and get their grievances resolved. If any queries you can ask, questions I can give the answer.